Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can turn off search suggestions for your search entries in the Startpage search engine. So let us dive into it. So guys, let me go with that example search here. And let's assume you would like to remove these search suggestions. For example, if you press space on your keyboard. For example, you're in the search field, you will see these search suggestions. And if you'd like to remove these guys, you will need to access your search engine's settings here on Startpage. You will find these in the top right corner by clicking into these three lines and by selecting settings here. Now let me navigate to these settings. So here, navigate from general to privacy. No, you will find it under general, excuse me, at the very bottom of that tab here under search suggestions. So on default they are enabled. Simply switch them off here and these search suggestions will then disappear from your search results here, from your start page and the search field here. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.